The dependability of water supply is intimately dependent on reliability of electricity that powers the system. Frequent blackouts can affect the availability of water and hence impact the health and well-being in the communities, cities, towns, and municipalities. MegaPower supplied and installed on-grid solar PV-powered water pumping system with fuel-safe controller for 4 water wells in the Municipality of Gaza for the Costal Municipality Water Utility with funding from UNICEF. This totaled 310 kWp and used quality components including CanadianSolar PV modules, Hoppecke battery banks, SMA PV and battery inverters, and SMA Diesel Hybrid controller. In addition, the system incorporated a Deepsea genset controller, fuel-safe controller, water monitoring system, and PV panel robotic cleaning system. Contact MegaPower for free consultation to develop a solar water pumping system that will improve reliability of supply while minimizing operational costs.